Hey guys, and welcome to the second video for our C++ series. Today we're going to go over having user input for our programs. So it'll just be something very basic. So we have our Hello World program from the video before, so feel free to open that up or create a new one, it doesn't really matter. And we're just going to ask the user for their name. Type in hello, what is your name? And then I should have said this before, but we'll do it now. It doesn't really matter when you do it, but I like to do my variables beforehand in our libraries beforehand. So you're going to want to include a library known as string. This lets us use strings, which are just strings of characters such as a name. So we're going to type down here string, and then you can name it whatever you want. It's good to name it, relatively close to what you're actually wanting, so name. And then we're going to type in below what is your name. We're going to do std : and then cin. You're going to reverse the arrow key, the arrow functions, this time. You're going to point towards the string. So you're going to type in name. And because we declared name above here, it's not going to have a problem once we get here. You can't have name here and then declare it down here or like even below return 0. It's not going to work. So what's going to happen is the program is going to run and say hello, what is your name, and wait for the user to type in a name. And once it does that, right now it would just terminate. But what we're going to do is std : cout again, and then we're going to type in hello, do a space, and then end your quotes. And you might think that's crazy, but hold on. Add 2 more arrows, and then type in name. So what that is going to do is it's going to say hello, and then whatever name that the user inputted, it's going to actually display after the hello. So this is really useful for programs that do like paychecks, or they're recording time for a business. I mean, they can't use this now, but these are the steps and the tutorials leading to that. Okay, so right now, after we have hello, name, we can just do standard and then end the line. And then let's run it to see what it looks like. My mistake. The reason that it's not being declared is because we're not using the standard library or using nameplace standard. So we have to actually do standard : string name. My mistake. And then once you build and run again, it's going to be fine. And it's going to say, hello, what is your name? I'm going to type in Matt. It says, hello, Matt. And then it terminates. That's all we wanted it to do. And so that's what it did successfully. So this is the second video. In the next video, we're going to go over basic math functions like adding, subtracting, and the like. So remember to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.